It really opened my eyes to see the humanity in others who are different from myself, and it made me realize the ways that I am privileged, and I didn't really realize that before.
A lot of the themes in the book focus around identity and diversity, equality, compassion, and understanding. A lot of the key ideas that students, when they come to college, they may meet new people, but at the onset they may be a little afraid because coming to college is so new. But I think reading this book and getting themselves ready to deal with those types of things, it would really prepare them very well for their first year.
Poverty is a big one. Mark Stroman has a lot of poverty that influences him and his family, and also the death penalty is pretty prevalent, and racism obviously is huge in the book. Being an immigrant in America and the challenges with that. So I think there's a lot of different places that people can, like different angles that you can come at the book from.